Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the PS4 error code 30005. Cannot start the application. So the first thing you guys can do is simply clean the disk. So just remove the disk from the PS4, get like there's like a specific spray you could use for cleaning disks and stuff, but if you don't have that, I guess you could just use water as well, but just be careful with that. And yeah, you could just clean the disk. But if that doesn't work, the second method you guys are going to do is actually going to turn off the PS4, because you're going to be putting the PS4 into safe mode. So in order to put the PS4 into safe mode, if you don't know how to do that, don't worry, I'll show you in this video. So what you're going to do is you're going to first wait for the blinking lights to completely turn off. And then once that happens, what you're going to do is you are going to hold on the power button for about 6 to 8 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. So any second now, the light should go off and then we can begin. But anyways, yeah, so once safe mode does pop up, what we're basically going to be doing is we're going to be doing rebuild database, because if there are any corrupt files in the PS4, they will basically just be removed, and then that will definitely fix the error code, because a popular reason for this error code is that you have a corrupt file, and that is like the reason why you can't play the video game, or the application won't start. And yeah, so let's just wait. The light should turn off any second now, and we can begin. All right, there we go. So that was the first beep. And then that was the second beep. Now, once we hear the second beep, we can let go. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna just wait for it to pop up on the monitor / screen. And another thing to keep in mind, we will need a USB cable or just your PS4 controller charger. Now we're going to press on the PS button, and we're going to scroll down until we see rebuild database. Now we're going to hit OK, and then boom, we should be good to go. Now once this is done rebuilding, that's it. The error code should be fixed, and you guys should be good to go and be able to play the game that you want. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.